We are still on our way to Budapest. Yeah. Now, Medical can say the journey to Budapest is always going to be interesting. It is said the BI Champions League, you know, a lot of storylines. Now, Enra, two teams a bookie or more a ticket to the semi-finals of this season's Champions League. Atletico Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain. Now, Rich, I'm going for the Champions League. Next, say Champions League in Ankasani. Ye bono time you run knockout stages. You know. Now, unim the people say that it is because say you run knockout stages. You say Kim. Then the main character of Sunny Champions League Nitiano. After the start say Edan Wedi. The character of the Champions League, just as every big tournament be a football tournament in Aobo. In that football tournament, teams in India are perceived good teams. And Tuba Champions League, they say, oh, a league of the champions. So, person who you young kufri mua. Bona mo bono. You bought in 2 boxes. Who box mu? And a opponent a box mu. Born a beba box in him. How well can you defend it? Also, the born a opponent box mu. How well will you be able to score? In the 2 boxes, gives out movements in the game. Why the bet me are taking a movement? What me take a movement? Those are the small details. You win. Now, Anopoe. Me sure say after Barcelona be come back. No makwa koda e mu hotel. No o ma sorry Anopoe no. They will now be very very calm to say look. See, I can't catch there yan ho. Ye ball first leg e wo camp no. And ye ball second leg e wo Wanda Metropolitano. Yet now home Atletico Madrid e be share 2-0. Our company, which were their moments in the game, in a game that we even thought we dominated. But Omoko from Yefino, no with the 2-0 advantage and an echo. Yes, I call Atletico Madrid no. Yasomu 2 not a tiekano. Yentimia holding on, and the character of this team, especially this season, of conceding in almost every game, Yabono. Came to hunt us right in the first half. Sanketi me the 2-goal lead no call break now. You come back in the second half. The whole stadium, Everton say Omo feeling jittery from the supporters, and they will translate it into their players. Say Timo go fear be here film and it could have happened. But the moment Atletico Madrid enya Omo kate, you knew there was a problem. Look. When you kasa tinti, Matisse Barcelona for the kasa bebre. This is what happened. If you look at the numbers in the game, for Barcelona to get an SG of 2.27, or they compare Atletico Madrid for the of 1.71. Now, SG Barcelona, they were expected to score a certain number of goals to qualify. They couldn't get it. Once that's a game, you press your opponent when you're 2 very good goals. In that same half, what created a lot of chances. Look at the traveler pass now. Lamiyama, Edema, Femi Lopez. Rich, those are the moments in the game. Pa! National. By the time I left Madrid, Everton was in a 4. Then he knows no Charlie and Kofona Baba separate him from Omo quick. But Rich, remember Jeff graphic B. And I have been very, very consistent on that. Even in Barcelona glory days in the Champions League. The way they concede goals. Unim say Barcelona and the first Spanish teamer. Rich. About Champions League, 15 games in a row. Now I'm consider goal.
That is bad.
This is the stats. they've conceded 28 goals in 15 matches. And consecutively, 15 games. Now, Barcelona keeping one clean sheet in both. Sometimes you need that to win. Clean sheet. You need defense to win games with CC. When you are expected to score, but you are also expected to be very, very solid. Barcelona just couldn't do that. And when I catch you, say Diego Simeone doesn't really need to overthink this game. On set here pretty much say on setting na 4-4-2 na. They will get their moments in the game. If they are able to take advantage of it, that is where they make things difficult for club and friend Barcelona. Now you see, Rich, yes, I'm going for Libya. I pay too much attention to referee calls after matches because it doesn't change anything. What you say? It doesn't change anything. In fact, say ye Barcelona for your problem be I person ye solve ya. We should ask ourselves say identity and Rich in the last 10 Champions League knockout stage is able 13 red cards. It's not good enough. Then you are going to find and you want to equalize. Oh, Sankaway your record there, and in case you your penalty, and no. That is not how you play. We are caught down one bobo. Minyawe, Yanjama me, Minyawe, Yanjama me, then can was a carry decision will come me, there was a decision will come me. Some may be true, some may be exaggerated. But Rich, the crux of the matter, and they say in football, you never press your palm na. Yasawa. Whether you are right or you are wrong, it doesn't come in again. The worst it could happen will be sanctions for the referee. Asa. You to me, I say referees error. No. Barcelona should watch it. Let's give Diego Simeone in the Rantino or Mabasu body for the kind of work that they did over the 2 legs. Well, and run quite game now because Barca did enough. No, over 2 legs. And they went to Spotify company. Baby, no Barcelona or beyond say almost since some back. Echo show 2-0 over 2 legs. And I let come at it. So what guys are the end there? You give them Omaba Subodi say indeed they've knocked Barcelona out of the Champions League and they did a very, very good job. The Paris Saint-Germain, they are Liverpool, they on the street, I find him Pabro. Trying to home and away. 2-0. But when you say no game, so one should be a scoreline need deceiving Kakao.
Honestly, my
scoreline need deceiving Kakao. Let me show you something. You see these numbers. No Liverpool, at least they gave the Bonibekas a brave performance because I'm about 21 shots. I'm on 1.92 SG. I'm on chunk of the possession 53. But you see, Rich, this Paris Saint-Germain team, no boy thing because Orefe Luis Enrique, I build the team nama. They know they have to suffer sometimes. But Rich, they are so efficient when they have their moments. Europa Koshe Ousmane Dembele 2 goals no saying in. There were times Liverpool were pushing. Na Omati free Bakola. Omati free now they find Ousmane Dembele. Then he plays the ball. Pa now I say. Enti akwa say udi omachi po mabo mun. Omotani bia no mabo eni so. That is how this team is built. They are very, very solid, very difficult team to beat. And they've made it to the semi-finals after Ousmane Dembele was adjudged the man of the match. And the defending champions are still sojourning on our Champions League.
And it seems I'm not picky at the right time. PSG team, I'm not picky at the right time. Time is on picky, no picky.
You see, it is true they are at the right moment. But Rich, I think their real test will come in the semi-finals. whether against Real Madrid or against Bayern. I think that this Liverpool team couldn't give them any stiff opposition. Via Monaco too same. Their next round will tell whether they will, as debutant or winning or Champions League last season for the first time now. Whether they will be able to retain or trophy and I say will depend on opponents in the semi-finals. Now, and the two very, very nice games. Now, the big one, of course, will happen at the stadium. And when Bayern say, Obi Obaba Stadium in Libya, say, Oba be supporting Bayern there, Shatari Koko. Because they will be wearing their home jersey, red dominant with white. Real Madrid ever show musu home jersey white with some blue and no man and them. It's Bayern say and then you over Allianz Arena ukuta tickets. Ne Bayern tina over there. So matter let them paint the stadium red for team and friend Real Madrid to come and see. So ometi me aye bibia. Now Rich, Bayern holds the advantage from the first leg. Obianim. But it will be very, very naive from Vincent Kompany and Captain Kimmich. So again say, they will be very, very naive to think that. Say, you don't think that against Real Madrid. Not in the Champions League. Now, there is something I am expecting from Arbeloa. But Rich, in my research towards this game, he has still not gotten it. And I'm sure, in Mimi opinion, that is what I didn't down for Beba. Rich, Real Madrid as a club, the history is hinged on big games, BCC. And they are carrying throughout their history is that in big games like this, they do the fundamental things, cool, play their big boys. Then you have a match. What I'm trying to say is, say Abelu and him the history of Real Madrid, because when you play our border, we are winning big things with the club. And when you coach of a youth team and when you opportunity to coach the first team, Senka Obi Betinya Bonabeti, I kind of say, look, Real Madrid team we are the greatest in this competition. We know we've done that when game be say ba and confront GND, but we put forth your best players in these games, and they've always turned up for the party for us. And to him, and your pitach masemo today. Say Obi a big player, our personality we team him. So on your 60% fit in power. These are the reasons why we bought them. Play them.
And you know bomb.
But Rich,
I don't think so about Pitach.
Rich, you see, I know he will do that. He will do that.
Can over more.
Utie in 7 hours kana. It's as if they are ready for this battle. Now, according to let me do this. We a Kowakata build Omo lineup. So build, you are expecting them to get it correct with Bayern.
Yeah.
And guess with Real Madrid. And build is doing this. And it is expected to say, okay, Bayern are coming in with Manonoya, Sanisic, Lema, our left, Upamecano, Jonathan Tah, 4 and 5. In Fifio, he's repeating the same thing. Kimmich, Pavlovic, Fifio, with Serge Gnabry as number 10 behind Hurricane, then Olise and Diaz. But Rich, what sources at Real Madrid? Say and Real Madrid the bubble game no. Lunin, Trent Alexander-Arnold, then Ferland Mendy, not any of Fran Garcia or Alvaro Carreras, because almost say Ferland Mendy say anytime you obey them for Real Madrid in big games, there. And Ferland Mendy. Then they are not doing the house and seminal. Today is big. They are playing Eder Militao, Antonio Rudiger. No. Senior players. Now in the middle of the pack, Chiomani is suspended. Big problem. But monsieur, don't worry. we are going to play a 6 and 8 of Vervardi. So Vervardi jina ha, we have no problem. Parich, me issue ni. In the front three, I'm gonna say Brahim Diaz bebo, Vinicius bebo, Kylian Mbappe bebo as almost striker. Then in the number 10 row, I'm bebo Jude Bellingham. Now my problem is why
and never
Vervardi. My biggest problem no. Now Senka Chuman you are. So we should Real Madrid dressing room ha. The next big boy for this big game should be Camavinga. It shouldn't be Thiago Pitach. It should be Camavinga. What big games so wabo? What bench watching Luka Modric, Casemiro, and Toni Kroos who play. Onu nya konya Bobby. It's a game we say you onu no so bono. Abelowa should get that decision right. Marriage, all the closest media men, I said no, it is not Camavinga who is going to play. I just hope, say, just that one decision, which is very, very crucial because that is the engine room of the game, no. Abelowa doesn't get it wrong. Emma and your man turning to your ansana. Wakoyi Thiago Pitach de Camavinga ba say oh nanka wasa wo na ogbo game we say corner kobo. Me only problem am wo e wo ho no. Okay. Look, Bayern Munich team wey dey rich. A suicidal kakra if you have to attack them. Especially when you don't have any option. Hey, Real Madrid team here be hu must attack team my friend Bayern Munich. And they must make sure say intentem na no. Omo dey na 2-0. Reach a 2-1. Real Madrid yes first go say Kim. The game aye pe. Obia moron yonko. Then they can wait. Adia Real Madrid wa. Class na kanini eno no. Rich, the moment they get equal with you on aggregate. Ometimi no abobo say the African game ni e be start for floor. They have that temperament to do that. Rich. And then easy.
Okay.
And then easy. Bayern Munich will target and change and where be with especially Trent and Luis Diaz and try and do their thing. Rich. Real Madrid should be able to send this game to extra time.
At least.
Yes. And it's a good now so Bayern just here. I don't be you.
Okay.
Say Real Madrid enya the big boys no say they say they are going to play with them. Enya fitness assembia. They are going to play with their big boys. Bayern for nyina ye. That is what Real Madrid is meant for in this competition. And Mr. Susay and then they are going to step up their game and do the obia enye say omo ebetimi aye.
Arsenal then them say omo
you see, Arsenal need only one job.
Okay.
David Raya, the performance in the Champions League, you know. Actually, Adiaba Kope, Arsenal is solid when it comes to defense. What question 1-0 our Avalanche? Befi our Emirates. What you need to do and say, and a good game new now Obiaka so Arsenal gave a solid defense and to man consider they've qualified. So about solid defense, no team about they've qualified. And the money is simple. Rich. You look at the Sporting Club, the Portugal team, and it is all about Luis Suarez as almost striker. Their main creative Trancao. Stop these two players from functioning Arsenal. And more find Luis Suarez and Nhyira. Once they are able to stop Sporting Club, the Portugal, say Nhyira no. I think this Arsenal team will be able to find one or two moments, score one or two goals, make the game dead for team and for the Sporting Club de Portugal. And to me, say Arsenal there, Rich, they are home and dry, and they will be able to qualify. Rich, these are my two coaches. I'm interested in betting. Just two codes. Na wako trebi na we dina we call baby. Come. First one a BW 4E 3E 4C9C. And a second one a BW 4E 3E 2530 into two very very nice codes for any game. No betimi afa come socials ni na onsa ebetimi aka na ene say wo ba multimedia na odu e forecourt ho you Liverpool